Of all the things India boasts of, its rice recipes are unparalleled and are a subject of envy all over the world. That is why in today's video, I thought of sharing with you a regional Indian rice recipe or a recipe which forms a staple in the Bengali cuisine. I'm talking about Basanti Pulao or a sweet Indian rice preparation which can be easily made at home using a few basic ingredients. So if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such updates. So without further ado, let's get started. Now let us have a look at the ingredients for making the Basanti Pulao. So we have cashew, raisins, bay leaf, ginger paste, turmeric powder and whole spices including mace, cinnamon, clove and green cardamom. Here I have taken soaked Gobindo Bhog rice. You can use Basmati rice too. You need to soak this rice for half an hour and then drain the excess moisture using a colander or sieve like I have done over here. This is Desi Ghee. You can use any ghee from any brand. And last but not the least, salt and sugar as per your preference. Now we'll quickly go through the procedure for making the pulao. In a container, heat the required quantity of water and bring to a boil and add the bay leaves into this water and bring this whole mixture to a boil. Once the mixture comes to a boil, switch off the gas and cover the container and store the water. In a pan, heat the required quantity of ghee. Let it heat up a bit and then add the whole spices already mentioned at the beginning of the video. Saute the spices until they emanate a sweet aroma. Once the spices have been sauteed well, add the cashew and fry them until they are light golden brown in color. Now, add the ginger paste and fry until the raw smell has evaporated. Now you can add the soaked rice. This will help in preventing the rice from getting mushy. You need to fry the rice for around 3 to 4 minutes properly by combining it with all the whole spices and the aroma of the cashew which is already there in the pan. Next, for coloring, you need to add the turmeric powder. You can also add food color. The preference is yours. You need to mix this turmeric powder well with the rice so that the rice turns yellow. So this is how the rice will look like. And now it is the time to add the boiled water. Along with some salt and sugar as per your preference. You can top it off with some garam masala which is optional and stir this mixture thoroughly and let it boil on medium-low flame until all the moisture has almost evaporated. Top it off with some soaked raisins and check the rice for the consistency. Once you are done, switch off the flame and cover the rice, and after half an hour, open the rice to check if it has been cooked properly. So I have opened this after half an hour and this is exactly how your rice will look like. Please don't fret if it still looks a bit mushy. You can always place it under a ceiling fan so that the extra starch that is still there and the steam that is still there inside the rice can evaporate and the rice can get its firm texture. Try not to stir the rice grains too much, otherwise there's a chance of them breaking. So this was how you can easily make Basanti Pulao at home. Serve this pulao with any spicy veg or non-veg gravy. I hope you like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more such updates.